Today I'm going to show you how to build 7.5 kVA fuelless generator. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button to my YouTube channel, so anytime I upload any fuelless generator video, you guys can watch the video fast. This 7.5 kVA coil. The coil I use here is 7.5 kVA coil, and this is the RPM. The RPM in the 7.5 kVA coil here is 1500 RPM, and I use 1 horsepower to speed the 7.5 kVA coil. 1 horsepower electric motor to speed the 7.5 kVA coil. The 1 horsepower electric motor I use here, it have 1500 RPM, like the same in the coil. When you want to build your own fuelless generator, the main point that is there is the RPM. If you want normal voltage light, you will need the same RPM in the coil and same RPM in the electric motor. See this method. This method is new. This is a new method, and I use 24 volts DC motor. 24 volt DC motor I use here, it have 1500 RPM too. As you can see, this 1500 RPM, 1500 RPM, and this is 1500 RPM. And I use this 200 amps battery. This battery is 200 amps battery. When you plug this 24 volt DC motor to the 200 amps battery, immediately the 24 volt DC motor will speed 1500, that is here. 24 volt DC motor will speed 1500, that is here. So when the 24 volt DC motor speed 1500, that is here, the coil is going to bring light, because I use belt here to connect the DC motor and the coil together, and I use belt here to connect the 1 horsepower with the coil together. When you plug the 24 volt DC motor to the battery, and immediately the 24 volt DC motor speed fast 1500, so the 7.5 kVA coil will generate light. After the 7.5 kVA coil generate light, you are going to use change over here to control it from 1 horsepower electric motor to the 7.5 kVA coil. When you use changeover for it here to control it from 1 horsepower electric motor to the 7.5 kVA coil, immediately the fuel generator will be working free. So after the fuel generator working free, you are going to come here and use change over for it here to comot the battery from the DC motor. So the DC motor is just going to be stay there and be just rolling free. This is what is going to bring normal voltage light, but this is what is going to work as a fuelless generator for you. This 24 volt DC motor is just for starting the fuelless generator, because a lot of people have built fuelless generator that they are now going to, if they use changeover for it here without this DC motor, the fuelless generator will stop. That's why we use this latest idea that the 24 volt DC motor are going to use it to power the fuelless generator immediately, so everything will be working free. When you plug the DC motor to the battery and this motor generates 1500 speed, the fuel generator will started to the work. Then you just change over from it here to the 7.5 kVA coil, so the fuel generator is going to be working free. If you are new to this channel, click on subscribe button and like, so anytime I upload any fuel generator video, you guys can watch it fast, because I'm going to upload more video about this fuelless generator. Just keep watching what is here, go and build it like this. It's going to work for you, I promise you. Try to do it. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, click on all notifications, so anytime I upload any fuel generator video, you guys can watch it fast. Subscribe.